I'm going to show you some of the things that you can do on stories. So you click that plus, go to stories. You'll have to have an image already ready to go for it, but here I'm just picking a random image. Some things you can do are like the add yours prompt. This is a new one. People can react with their own images. These are some other ones that I'm going to have you use. There's the poll, there's the slider bar, and most importantly, there's the link, which is brand new. It used to be you had to have 10,000 followers to use a link in your stories, and now you don't. So that one is going to be really useful. You put the URL at the top, whatever you want to put, and then you can customize the text to have a call to action. And then you can press on it to like change it to different colors and stuff. Oh, yeah, I haven't used that before. What else? Oh, the countdown. We definitely want you using the countdown for things like if there's a Facebook Live event happening, you can tell people come over. You can click at the top there to change the colors around. There's also text. You can write things, and you can use the buttons at the top there to change the colors and the formats and the fonts and stuff like that. Okay, so, oh, and you can change the size by squeezing with your 2 fingers in and out. Okay, I'm not going to share this ridiculousness, so let me put up something I actually can share so that I can show you adding it to the story highlights. Whoops, that's not what I meant to do. Let's erase some of these things so we can drag them, drag them onto the trash can at the bottom there to get rid of them. And I'm going to use a different sticker, which is add a photo from your camera roll. Here we could do a family one. We were just visiting our cousins in Massachusetts. My son has such an angelic look on his face there. So I'll just type a little something here. I kind of like that little animation thing. So now we're sharing it. Now it's going to ask if we also want to share it. And we're going to click add to highlights. So these are your highlights here. These I've already set up, but you can create a new highlight, type in the name here. After you do that, you can change the cover image for it as well. So I think that's everything